Hey everyone, I'm Andy Raffel from eTechnics.com, and the good thing I guess about having friends who are in the kind of modding community is they do come to you with kind of their latest projects, and that's exactly what we've got here. So one of the most prolific modders in the industry, who's been around since, well, the beginning of time, Richi Bowzer, has come up with this little beast inside the Lian Li 011 Dynamic, based around Apex Legends. Now, while it might be puking rainbows at the moment, as soon as we start Apex Legends, it's going to go into a world of its own. Let's take a look. Now that you've had a small taste of how cool this looks, let's take a look at the specs that make it happen. Starting with the motherboard, we have the ASRock Taichi Z390, one of the best looking boards out there on the market today. We've actually reviewed the similar Taichi Ultima X470 in the past and absolutely loved it. Apex Legends isn't the most demanding game out there, so we found that an i5-8400 Intel processor was more than enough in this case. To enhance the lighting, the build features 16GB of Team Group Delta RGB memory with a speed of 2666 MHz. Cooling is taken care of by the Thermaltake Flowring RGB 360 AIO, which sits at the top of the build and features 3 addressable RGB fans. Speaking of fans, Richi has glammed this build up with no less than 6 additional Thermaltake Ring Trio 12 Premium Edition fans, on top of the 3 that are already included with the AIO. Adding to the look and style, the fans sport custom transfers of both the Razer and Apex Legends logos. The PNY RTX 2080 Ti Overclocked Accelerate Edition GPU is a bit overkill for Apex Legends, but it does provide the flexibility to play other games, and Richi has added some extra custom Apex branding right across the top. Everything is powered by the Thermaltake Tough Power Grand RGB 850W PSU, more than enough for this system while helping to future-proof your build. Finally, for storage, we have the Team Group T-Force Delta RGB 500GB SSD. With its unique look, it's something I wish that more brands would do. All of this sits in a custom modded Lian Li 011 Dynamic Razer Edition chassis. This is more of a cookie cutter style mod from Richi than his usual builds, but does still feature some premium customizations. The front and component side of the case feature laser and hand-etched Apex theming, which does look really cool. The case lighting is further enhanced by a couple of additional RGB strips, which are run through the separately bought Razer Chroma hardware development kit. To the side sits our MSI Optics MAG27CQ LED curved gaming monitor. Now, curved monitors are a matter of taste, but can create an immersive feeling that is only enhanced here by the dynamic lighting. Over here is the Razer Huntsman Elite Optomechanical keyboard, their latest and greatest. The Razer Mamba Elite mouse sits on the Razer Goliathus Chroma mouse mat. The Razer Nari Ultimate headset provides thumping sound and sits on its own RGB stand, the Razer Base Station Chroma. Now, all of these peripherals are compatible with the Razer Chroma software and form a sort of Razer ecosystem, perfect for showcasing their Apex Legends lighting integration, which we're going to look at right now. So while I've known Richi for, well, quite a few years, I've known him to come up with some of the most extreme mods out there, whether it be kind of the mini ITX build that just doesn't even look possible that you can get all of your components inside of it, and some of these kind of crazy custom loop things that he's come up with in the past. This is maybe, you know, not in the same kind of realm as that, but I'm still sure that you're going to agree with me on this one. This looks absolutely amazing, especially when everything is synchronized through the Razer Synapse software and kind of, you know, all the chroma effects come into play when playing Apex Legends. Let me know in the comments section below if Apex Legends is your game of choice, or maybe you have something, I don't know, that you prefer. We've actually got a video coming up as well where we're going to be looking at kind of Corsair and the IQ software and how that kind of interacts with the Division 2. So definitely be sure to check that one out. If you do like these types of videos as well, where we look at kind of other people's PCs and look at mods and things like that they've done, let us know about that as well. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye bye. Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTechnics. Oh, I just spat everywhere.